verse 14. Is that too loud? No. That's okay. So we're on the last line of this verse. Radha Karavachita Palava Valarike Radha Padam Kavilasam Madarastalike Radha Mukara Mata Kagavalike Radha Vihara Vipane Ramatam Manome. So we've been hearing in these first three lines. Is this okay? Oh. We've been hearing about Radharani's hands, her feet, her fame, her pastimes, and so many wonderful descriptions. So we're hearing so many descriptions. So now this is the last line. It says, Radha Vihara Vipane Ramatam Manome. So this line, he's concluding his prayer of glorifying Radharani. He's glorifying the playground of Radharani, Sri Vrindavan Dham, glorifying Radharani's, her hands, her form, and her pastimes. Her hands are, what are her hands doing? The hands are touching the trees and vines of Vrindavan. And her feet are Padanka, Vilasa, and Madhura Stalike. Her feet are wandering in the sweet Madhurya Lila places like Ras Lila and Chandra Sarovara and Radhakund. And they're wandering up and down the steps of Manasapavan Ghat and leaving all the dust of Radharani's feet. And the birds in Vrindavan, they're going mad. Mata means mad. And why are they going mad? Because with their mukara, their mouth, they're glorifying Radharani Yasho, her fame, her name. And they're becoming mad. So, just like there's a story of one hunter named Valmiki, and he was a hunter, and Narada Muni met him and said, you should stop this hunting business and purify your mind and heart, because you're too vicious and too low-minded. So you chant the Nam, you do Ram Nam. He said, I won't do Ram Nam, I don't want. He said, all right. He said, I only like killing animals. All right, so then Narada Muni tricked him and said, you say Mara, Mara, Mara. So he said, he was saying Mara, Mara, then pretty soon it became Rama, Rama, Rama. And he became completely crazy from this Ram Nam. And Valmiki, he became so crazy. Crazy means that he advanced to the highest stage of bhakti, where he actually had dristi, lila dristi, he had darshan of Ram Lila. And Valmiki wrote the Ramayana, but he saw the whole lila, and not even being there, not even being a direct associate of Ram. So he became so advanced, quote unquote mad. So that's what happens if you chant the name of God. You keep chanting, eventually you'll go mad. Radharani, when she's chanting, she chants Krishna, 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 Krishna. And in the form of Gauranga, searching for Krishna and Radhabhav, it's Krishna and Radhabhav. So here, the birds, Prabhupada Saraswati is glorifying the birds. Radha Yasho Mukaramata Kagavalike. Kagava means birds, and they're mata, they're going mad. Mukara means mouth, Yasho. They're glorifying Radharani, her name, her qualities, her pastimes, and they're going mad. So after stating all these things, then Prabhupada Saraswati, he makes his conclusion in line 4, and he says, Radha Vihara Vipane Ramatam Manome.